Forest Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flood warning for the Ventura River at Foster Park until 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday. At 4 p.m. Friday, the stage was 17.0 feet flood stage, 17.6 feet crest around 18.0 feet about 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Median falling tonight impact at 17.6 feet. Ventura River begins to flood the Faro Ranch area upstream of the Main Street Bridge in Ventura. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to
flood warning
by listening to local media and NOAA radio.
Is there another one?
You're listening to